Everybody, just around here, gonna install my curb assistant aid here. Hey, everybody, just Ron got this item off of Amazon. It's gonna help me when I pull out of my driveway. I hate always scraping the bottom of the curb, so I bought these ramps off Amazon. Let's open them up and see what we have inside, and I'll show you how I install them as well. And if you like them, I'll leave a link to the description below. Everybody, so as you can see here, this curve here is not too bad, but it does cause my car, which sits pretty low, to hit it. So what I'm going to do is I bought the unit here. I'm going to open it up and install it and then show you the results. And that way you can save the bottom of your car from always scraping on the concrete. So as you open up, you can see there's two ramps here. So it's going to give you enough distance between your car and the curb. And if I pull it out here, I'm going to give you an estimate. That's one of the ramps here, so it's pretty long. It's going to fit under your car too. Will definitely be enough to help you. Let's take the second one out. Alright, so if you see the description here, so these are two together, and if you look at my driveway, this is pretty much takes up one side of the driveway, which is going to be enough to fit the car underneath. You could always leave room in the middle. I mean, I doubt I would do that since you can join them together, but that should be enough room to get your front two tires off, you know, when you back in or when you're pulling out, so they won't scrape. So let's go ahead and get them on down here to the end of the curve and get them installed. They also come with a toolkit here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units here. I think they're gonna go on the top here. Things here. They're not made out of, I'll say, the heavy material. They are like aluminum. There are some more expensive ones out there, so if you buy one of the more expensive ones, probably you're gonna get some a little bit more stone. But the unit itself here, these are pretty stuff. They have the drainage thing in the bottom too, so your water can go underneath it. But overall, not a bad product. And go ahead and install them. So there's actually no instructions there, but what you're gonna do is push these pins through these holes here. There's 6 of them. There's 6 pins. So push them through the top, down to the bottom, and then that'll secure it in place so it won't go anywhere. I wish there was a place to hook them up together. Maybe I will see that when I start to install them. But let's go ahead and put these in and see what we do. So now they're installed here on the end of the driveway. They do have different heights, so there's a little bit of a lip there. So you can get lower ones if you want to. Maybe I will send these back and get the lower height. That shouldn't be a problem really, because once your tires hit the top here, it's going to roll right over there. It's not like you're going to go super slow. So, and it keeps you from at least it will keep you from scraping on this end here. And like I said, there are some lower heights if your curb is too, if your curb is a little bit lower or higher, you can also get different heights. I just picked this one here. I have to look back and look and see. I'll put it in the description or put it in the video right now what size I got. I'm sure your curb will probably be about as standard as this. So probably got a little bit too high. Could have been a little bit shorter. Maybe they might have cost a little bit cheaper too, but I'll put the description and link below. They were not expensive at all. So, but there you go. That's a finished product. So make sure you hit like and subscribe, and just run out. Thank you.